Come on, say it. Hola.
Hello.
Hello. My friend Jeff called me and said, hey, we should go to Mexico City. What do you think of that? So of course I was in. So we headed there, and as soon as we got there, we just decided, you know what, let's get out of town. So we headed south toward Acapulco, and we found all these really cool spots along the way. There was a national park. We got to Ixtapa and Zihuatanejo. You know, if you've ever seen that movie, Shawshank Redemption, you know what it's about. It's this cool little artistic kind of hippie town, and we just happened to find this really beautiful resort right on the beach, and it was only $100 a night, so we just booked it. We met this couple, and they wanted to show us their house and tell us all of their stories about how they ended up in Zihuatanejo, and then we ended up surfing the next day, and it was actually one of the best surf trips I've ever been on. The waves were perfect. We kept on going toward Acapulco, and we found beautiful beaches and a really beautiful city. And then we made our way toward Puebla, and we saw a few ruins along the way. Puebla was a cool little hip town, beautiful, very artistic, colorful. I mean, all the buildings popped with bright colors. It was a really beautiful place. The setting was incredible. There was this huge mountain with a snow-capped peak. And we also visited Cholula.
Qué bonitos ojos tiene. Ellos me quieren mirar, pero si por pobre me desprecias, yo te concedo razón.
Ready for a second?
Yo te concedo
I'm so hungry.
razón. Si por
This is the most narrow house in the world.
Así compré yo, mire. Esto fue lo que yo compré.
¿Qué le hice la otra? Le hice una de queso y una de rajitas con queso. ¿Nomás dos?
Sí. Hey.
Dinner bartender. So we think that our room is haunted because the lights are going off and on. It's a really cool room, but the lights flicker off and on like all night. And the jet tub, actually the jets started turning on by themselves. Pretty cool.
You know.